Etoro versus Trading 212. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about Etoro and Trading 212 and then going to be comparing them and telling you which one is better for your use depending upon where you live. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So first, let me just tell you a little bit about Etoro and then we'll move on with Trading 212 and then we'll go into a comparison about both of them and see which one is better and which one would you like to, use as a broker depending upon where you live. So Etoro is Israeli fintech company and a social trading broker established in the 2007s, but you don't really need to know that. It's just a online broker which is used to exchange stocks and does not disclose its annual report on its website and does not have a bank parent as well. So which means it's independent, and Etoro is considered safe because its UK and Australian arms are regulated by the top tier financial authorities and is a well-known fintech company, as I said before. So down below, we can see that its overall rating is 4.7, which is good. But as you can see in the fees and the market products, it's all pretty good. But in the only area that it lacks is in the research. Like it has a 3.5 research rating, meaning that it does not provide enough contents for the stocks and it does not provide enough information for them. So users and customers sometimes gets a little bit confused. The deposit and withdrawal, it's also pretty low, and the customer service is also low. The trading platform itself is pretty good and the education is low as well. So down below we have some pros and cons. So pros is that free stocks and ETF trading, it has seamless account opening and social trading experience. Con, high non-trading fees, only one account based currency, and customer support could be improved by a lot. So as you can see, country of regulations, it's in the UK, Cyprus, and Australia. Trading fees class is low. Inactivity fee charge, it has an inactivity fee charge, which is pretty weird. And the withdrawal fee amount is $5 and the minimum deposit is $200. Now the good thing is that time to open an account, it only takes 1 day. Deposit with bank card, and you can deposit with electronic wallets as well. And the number of base currency supported is only one, which is kind of, they could implement more, but it is what it is. And it also provides a demo account as well. And the product Etoro offers comes in the form of stocks, ETF, forex, CFDs, and crypto as well. Now we come to the fees, and over here we have low trading fees, we have free stock EFT trading, and we have low forex and CDF tradings. Now that's pretty good, but in the con section it has a high non-trading fee. Now over here as you can see, the US stock fee is 10 XCB, and while the average is 6.7. And here Etoro non-trading fee, as you can see, so account is free, yes. The inactive fee is if you leave your account inactive for too long, then they will charge a fee for it. The deposit fee is 0, but the withdrawal fee is $5. And same with all the other ones. Same with XTB and stuff like that, which is not good. They could improve it. It's still a pretty good app, though it could use a little bit of improvement. Now moving on to Trading 212. So Trading 212 is a global CFD and Forex broker, and the Trading 212 is considered safe as it's regulated by the top tier CFA, and it is also regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, and the Bulgarian Financial Supervision Commission, the FSC. And overall rating is 4.3, which is good. The fees, however, it lacks in the fees department, and the customer service over here, as you can see, it's even worse than Etoro. And the research is also pretty low, but the education is pretty good. So meaning that if someone comes over to Trading 212, they'll get a high amount of knowledge and stuff like that. Now, for the pros and cons, the real stock and ETFs are commission free, quick and easy account openings, great trading platform. The cons are limited product portfolio, missing phone and live chat support, and high forex fees. And down below, these are some of the features and highlights of Trading 212. So the country of regulation is UK and Bulgaria. The trading fees class is average. The inactivity fee charge, it has no activity fee charge. The withdrawal free amount is 0. The minimum deposit is $1, whereas Etoro had $200, which is not good. I mean, you shouldn't have to have a minimum balance in your account anyway. The time to open an account is 1 day, and deposit with bank and electronic wallets are both available. And the number of base currencies supported by Trading 212 is 9, which is 8 more than eToro. And it also has a demo account, and the products it provides are stock, ETF, Forex, and CFD, but it does not, provide crypto products, whereas eToro provides crypto products as well. So, and then down below, we have the fees section. So over here, as I said, free stocks and EFT trading, low CFD fees, no withdrawal and inactivity fees. Whereas in the cons, it has high Forex fees and high financing rates. So as you can see over here, assets, the S&P 500 CFD, it's high, Euro USD is high, the inactivity is low, no inactivity is required. So for S&P 500 CFD, the fees are built into the spread. 1.9 points is the average spread cost during the peak trading hour, whereas for the Europe 50 CFD, the fees are built into the spread with a 6 point is average spread cost and during peak trading hours. Whereas EUR USD high, the fees are built into the spread with 1.4 pips is the average spread cost during the peak trading hour. So as you can see, the fees are a little bit high, but compared to eToro, all the other products are pretty good. So now you know a little bit about both of these brokers. Now let's go ahead into the comparison. So for comparison, as you can see over here, we have the overall pros and the overall cons of both of them. As you can see, free cost and EFT, real stocks and ETFs are commission free, seamless account openings, social trading experience, great trading experience. As I said, Trading 212 does not have a social platform and doesn't have any chats features, so it's only for trading. Whereas eToro has a little bit of chat feature, so you can say that it also has some socialism in it involved. So you already know about the pros and cons, but I'm just still going over them so that you guys don't forget. So for eToro, it has high non-trading fees, whereas Trading 212 has limited product portfolio. And over here for eToro, only one account-based currency is available, whereas Trading 212 has 9. But for Trading 212, missing phone and live chat support, as I said before. But the customer support of eToro could be improved drastically, and the Trading 212 has a good customer support, better than eToro, but it has high Forex fees. So as you can see over here, these are some of the ratings that they've confirmed that they are comparing. So for fees, for eToro, it's 4.4, whereas for Trading 212 is 3.3. Account opening is 5 for eToro, 4.5 for trading. Deposit and withdrawals. So for eToro, it's 3.5. So you have to have a minimum deposit of $200 in your account for eToro, whereas for Trading 212, it's only $1. So I think you get the idea. And in web trading platforms, 4.4 for eToro and 4.9 for trading. Desktop trading platform, they haven't rated it, but we can go ahead and check out the website at the end so that we can know how it basically looks like. For research, eToro has 3.5, trading has 2.8. Customer service 3.3 and trading has 1.0, which is very bad. Education, eToro has 3.5 and trading has 4.0, which is pretty cool. So in safety, the majority of clients belong to a top tier financial authority, whereas the majority of clients for trading belong to a top tier financial authority as well. Negative balance protection, well-known and active fintech company, does not hold a banking license, so both of them do not have a parent banking, so they're independent, you could say, both not listed on stock exchange, and the financial information is not publicly available for both of them as well, so no one can really know what's going on financially for both of these brokers companies. So now you know all the bells and whistles about both of these applications. Now let me just tell you one more thing. So if you're living in the USA, then eToro is the best trading app for you, but if you're living in the Europe somewhere such as Slovakia, then Trading 212 is much better. Now personally, I would recommend Trading 212 just simply because of this deposit. eToro requires a 200 deposit, whereas Trading 212 only requires $1, which is pretty good, I think. Like if you're trying to earn some money, trying to get into the game, you shouldn't have to keep a $200 minimum deposit in your banks. Like, I mean, that's pretty weird, but some companies do that, and I'm sure they have their own reasons. So personally, I would pick Trading 212, but that really doesn't matter because it all depends upon you. I'm not over here to tell you which platform is better than the other. here. I just basically showed you a comparison of both of these so that you can think for yourselves, and then you can decide for your own selves which one is better. Now, if we go over to their website, this is how the Trading 212 website looks like. As you can see, it's pretty neat. It's pretty, it's pretty smooth. It has animation and it looks pretty good as well. Whereas eToro has only this sign up button, but it doesn't really matter because the platform itself, both of these platforms are pretty good. And I think eToro is a little bit faster compared to Trading 212, but not by a lot. So keep that in mind as well. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment sections which trading platform you think is better. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.